step. Turn, D-ball. Good job. Let's go. Stop. Come again. Step. Back 3 ball. Good job. Turn back. Turn back. Back 3 ball. Okay, time. Back 3 ball. Good job. Very good.
Yes. Para maganda din. Tapos
Okay, time. Swas, benta. Turn back. Bakit? Let's give me last week. Last week. Let's go. Benta. Shot. Nice one. Give me last two. Go. Nice one. 2, 3, 4. Drop. Then cross. Good job. Again. Good job. Split and through. Foot replacement cross. Go. Three. 1, 2. Square up. Don't turn your body.
Pocket 3 ball, partial pocket. So after ng 3 partial pocket, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then after yan, foot replacement, then just skipping drop. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after ng drop, foot replacement again, then split through naman. 1, 2, 3.
Go. Dribble the ball. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Cross and split through. Cross. Last one. Passion ba tayo? Last one. Drop. Mga dribble. Last 2. No extra foul. Good finish drop na. Good job. Then split. Up, other side. 1 and 4. Then cross. Drop, then attack. Okay? Go. Nice one. Okay. Nice one. So ingredients to rhythm step in. Your first step is your inside leg and outside leg. Just 2 steps lang. Like this. Okay? Inside leg, outside leg, then shot. Okay? Again. Very good. Let's go. Outside leg. Okay, then inside leg. Left, outside leg, then inside leg. Like this. Good job. Hoy, jump stop ka na. Jump stop. Okay. What I want is like this. Step. Okay, 2 steps. Left, right, then shot. Right. Left, right, then. Good job. Okay, last time. Okay. Order. Good job. Last week. Let's go! Last two! do the straight through football. Okay, then attack. Go. Left and right. Good job. Again. Good job. Hoy! Easy lang sa. Let's go. Go. Side ng foot replacement. And then, sa left yung basketball. Go. Nasikas, let's go. Apa. Go. Go. Nice one.